Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. So what I'm currently doing today is a retouch relaxer, and I will be installing clip-ins. And I want to tell you guys why I believe clip-ins is the better way to go when it comes to installing hair, especially when you have a relaxer over most of the traditional ways to install extensions. So let's get into today's video. So with my client, she has had her hair relaxed before she decided to start coming to the salon. So when me and her was introduced to each other, she wasn't a virgin relaxer, she was a retouch. And when she was initially getting her hair relaxed previously, before me, she used to get it done every single month. Well, if this is your first time ever watching my relaxer videos, one of the things I stand firm on is how often you get a retouch. For you to come to this line to get a retouch by me, at the minimum, it has to be 3 months in between the last time the relaxer was applied. And also, I do have some ladies that get their retouch every 6 months, and I also have some that just come once a year. The reason why this is so important is to stop and calm down on over processing the hair. When you are dealing with over processing the hair, you're guaranteed to shed, breakage, scalp damage, and hair damage. So, of course, that's not the reason you wanted to get your hair relaxed. You still want to make sure you keep your hair healthy. So, please, please, you guys, if you are getting a relaxer, once a month, that is too often. So one of the topics I would like to talk about in today's video is applying too much oil to your head. My client was believing that her hair was shedding too much, so she overcompensated with the oils and put in different type of oils in the head, and also not combing the hair because of the fear of shedding. So I want to talk about oils because I see this more common in the salon, that us as women, we apply too much oil to the hair because we think our hair is dry and we're trying to figure out how to increase the moisture. So when your hair is dry, you want to think about deep conditioning your hair. You don't want to run and go get castor oil or go get any type of tea tree oil or anything like this and just start slapping it on your hair. These oils will weigh your hair down, and it will increase shedding, and it will increase breakage. Please remember, the thicker the oil is, the more it sits on top of the hair, and it sits on top of the hair like a weight. And just ask yourself, if you was holding a weight in your hand and you had your hand completely extended out and you held that weight for days on days on days, eventually your hand will fall and it will break because of the weight. It's too heavy on your hand. So think about that when you think about oils that you are putting on your hair every single day. You're not shampooing these oils off your head, off your scalp, and off your hair strand. So do not do that, you guys. You want to properly shampoo your hair. You want to apply conditioner to your hair and scalp. You want to sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes and deep condition your hair. This I would suggest to do as often, every other week, or you can do it as least as once a month. And you want to ask yourself, what exactly is going on with my hair? Is my hair weak? Then I need to use strengthening shampoo and conditioner. All right, so I want to highlight some of the things I did at the shampoo bowl to care for the hair that I didn't get to record for you guys. I did apply a bonding treatment. This is very good to do when you are doing a relaxer service to care for the bonds of the hair to heal it. And also, we did do a jet black rinse. A jet black rinse is not just for the actual color and the look that it gives such a nice look, but the benefits is that it also helps condition the hair. And the last thing that we did was a strengthening conditioner. With the strengthening conditioner, we did a deep condition. This helps also build the muscle of the hair. So the type of clip-ins that my client purchased was the thick yaki straight clip-ins. It is a jet black color and it does give a relaxed look. So it looks like your hair when it's like really blown out or when your hair is relaxed and it has a little bit of texture. It went perfect with her hair, you guys. And you get up to 7 pieces and hers was 16 inches. So I will leave the link down below for you guys to pick up these clip-ins if you guys would like to. But right now what I'm doing is just straighten the hair, applying a little heat to it so it can match more to my client's hair. Because as you guys know, we just put a relaxer in and I braid her hair down. Now you can braid it down or you can also braid it down and add a net. The reason why we didn't add a net is because my client still wanted to have the ability to quickly take her hair down and wash it and so forth and so on, and just add the clip-ins in again. But you can do this exactly the way you would do a sew-in with a leave-out. So with my client, she did purchase 2 bundles, which gave her a nice natural look. I do suggest if you want like a full, like very minimum leave out, then I say to purchase at least 3 bundles. You might have a little bit left over, but you'll be able to put more of your hair up. I'm a fan of clippings, you guys. I really, really love them. And it's so many reasons. Number one is because I like to be able to take it down and put it back in. Also, I like the fact that it looks like a sew in, but it doesn't take as much time as it takes to apply a sew in. And also, I like that me, usually I do my own hair, so it makes it easier for me to get that look without going through the hassle of doing all the things you have to do to apply a sew in. So, what I would say, kind of the negative about clip ins is you kind of have to already have knowledge of how to do your own hair. I would say for someone that is very clueless on how to do their own hair to do clip ins because it can be frustrating. A sew in will probably be better suited and easier for you to maintain. All right, so we are done. So this is how it looks when it's straight and I actually blend it with her hair. And as you can see, it looks really, really good, you guys. I'm just amazed myself. And also, this is how it looks when it's curled. All right, you guys. So that ends today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support and all the times you return back to watch my videos. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment down below. And always remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I see you guys next week. Bye.